एम्फाइमा गॉल ब्लैडर दैट इज इट इज टाइप ऑफ द एक्यूट कोलिसिस्टाइटिस। ये एक्यूट कोलिसिस्टाइटिस में ही आता है, वेरिन गॉल ब्लैडर इज फिल्ड विद द पस। गॉल ब्लैडर जो होता है बेसिकली आपका पस से भर जाता है। इन 30% केसेस इट मे बी स्ट्राइल, 30% केसेस में वो स्ट्राइल रहता है। इट ऑल्सो कैन अकर इन अ प्री एग्जिस्टिंग म्यूकोसील ऑफ द गॉल ब्लैडर वेयर इट गेट्स इन्फेक्टेड। ठीक है, गॉल ब्लैडर में इट इज कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व इन द इम्पैक्टेड स्टोन, डायबिटिक इंडिविजुअल्स, immunocompressed people, HIV, and long-time steroid therapy. It can perforate, can form abscess, or can cause peritonitis, biliary, and bacterial. Condition has got high mortality, fever, toxicity, pain, tenderness in the right hypochondrium. Tenderness, smooth globular gallbladder is palpable in the right hypochondrium to the right of the right rectus muscle. ठीक है, स्टोन्स होते हैं तुम्हारे गॉल ब्लैडर में, तब बेसिकली एम्फाइमा गॉल ब्लैडर हो सकता है। ठीक है, बेसिकली उसमें पस मिला एम्फाइमा गॉल ब्लैडर, नोट द पस एंड द स्टोन्स बोथ आर देयर। एंड कॉम्प्लिकेशन कैन बी सेप्टिसीमिया, रप्चर एंड पेरिटोनाइटिस। इन्वेस्टिगेशन में क्या क्या कराएंगे? अल्ट्रासाउंड एब्डोमेन कराएंगे, टोटल काउंट इज रेस्ड, रेडियो आइसोटोप स्कैन, हेमाटोक्रिट, LFT, NPTINR, ये सारी चीज़ें कराएंगे। ठीक है, देन ट्रीटमेंट में अगर बात करें तो एंटीबायोटिक्स देते हैं, दैट इज सिफोटैक्साइम, ठीक है, क्विनिलोन्स एंड सिफ्ट्रैक्साजोन। ठीक, कोलिसिस्टेक्टमी इमरजेंसी प्रोसीजर होता है। ऑफन इनिशियली कोलिसिस्टोस्टोमी इज डन either with the Foley's or the Malcott's catheter kept in the in situ. Later 3 to 6 week cholecystectomy is done. Laparoscopy cholecystectomy can be tried. ठीक है, गैंग्रीनस गॉल ब्लैडर हो जाता है इसमें। ठीक है, म्यूकोसील ऑफ द गॉल ब्लैडर दैट इज ड्यू टू द ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द सिस्टिक डक्ट बाय द स्टोन इन द नेक, दैट इज हार्ट्समैन पाउच ऑफ द गॉल ब्लैडर without any infection or the inflammation of the gallbladder. It causes absorption of all the bile and the secretion of the mucus in the gallbladder, allowing the gallbladder to distend, causing mucocele of the gallbladder, that is hydrops of the gallbladder. Rarely cholangiocarcinoma occluding cystic duct may cause mucocele of the gallbladder. The content is usually sterile. Features बात करें तो painless swelling in the right hypochondrium, non-tender, smooth, soft, globular, palpable gallbladder, content is sterile. Features of dyspepsia, ठीक है, म्यूकोसील ऑफ द गॉलब्लैडर, म्यूकस उसमें होता है। ठीक है, complication if infected can cause empyema gallbladder, rupture can cause pseudomyxoma peritoni but rare. इन्वेस्टिगेशन में USG एंडोमेन कराएंगे, लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट चेक करेंगे, ट्रीटमेंट में कोलिसिस्टेक्टमी करते हैं, इधर लेप्रोस्कोपिक और ओपन मेथड। ठीक है, नाउ वी कम टू important topic, that is chronic cholecystitis. Chronic or inflamed thickened gallbladder which is non-functioning and non-distending. Causes can be gallstone, cholecystosis, chronic acalculous cholecystitis, organism में Klebsiella है, Streptococcus है, Salmonella है। Pathology, that the gallbladder is shrunken, contracted, small, non-functioning and fibrotic with thickened gallbladder wall. Mucosa proliferate into the lumen, creating the deep cleft in the wall, projecting into the muscular wall of the gallbladder, being lined in the epithelium. It is called as Rokitansky-Sachkov sinus. Muscular wall atrophied हो जाती है, is often replaced by the fibrous tissue. Histologically, it shows dense chronic inflammation with the fibrous tissue. Gallbladder ये है, multiple gallstone, thickened gallbladder wall is a characteristic of chronic cholecystitis. Then thickened gallbladder wall with multiple gallstone present. And the clinical features are in the chronic cholecystitis, that is pain in the right hypochondrium may be colicky or persistent. Positive Murphy sign, where in sitting position during the deep inspiration, when palpating in the right hypochondrium, the patient winces with the pain at the summit of the inspiration. Same sign elicited in the lying position. Lying down position is called Moynihan sign. ठीक है, लेटने पे अगर उसको एलिसिट कर रहे हैं तो उसे मोनियन साइन बोलते हैं, और सिटिंग में जब करते हैं तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज मर्फी साइन। ठीक है, may also be elicited in the acute or the chronic acute on chronic cholecystitis, flatulent dyspepsia, intolerance to the fatty meal, and biliary dyspepsia. Complication can be CBD stone, cholangitis, pancreatitis, Mersey syndrome. Differentials can be peptic ulcer, pancreatitis, hiatus hernia. Investigations में ultrasound abdomen may show stone with the posterior acoustic shadowing, gallbladder wall be thickened. Isotope study may help to confirm the infection. LFT कराएंगे. Total count may be raised if there is an acute recurrent infection. ठीक है, you can see these figures, that is thickened GB due to the chronic cholecystitis with the multiple stone, thick GB with the single large stone in the C part. This one, this figure, single stone. ठीक है. Then for the treatment of chronic cholecystectomy, either laparoscopic or open method. Murphy's sign. Murphy's sign is a sign of the cholecystitis, acute or acute on chronic cholecystitis. ठीक है. John Benjamin Murphy 1857 to 1916 अमेरिकन सर्जन होता है who identified the significance of his sign. His name is associated with many things like Murphy's punch, Murphy's triad, Murphy's sign test for the metacarpal, Murphy's sign for the gallbladder, and instrument like the Murphy's intestinal anastomosis button and Murphy lane bone skid, Murphy drip. ये सारी चीज़ों से रिलेटेड होता है मर्फी का नेम. Murphy's sign of the gallbladder was described in 1903 as hypersensitivity elicited by the deep palpation in the subcostal area where a patient is presumed gallbladder disease. Take a deep breath. This sign is also called as Nguyen sign after the name of Bernard Nguyen, 1839-1925 Berne, who described the similar sign 13 years before Murphy. The patient is in upright sitting position. The right hand of the examiner curls up under the right costal margin or extended finger with the moderate pressure of the patient at the tip of the ninth rib, and the patient is requested to take deep breath. If the gallbladder is inflamed, and the patient will experience the pain, that is, he winces with the pain and catches the breath as the gallbladder descends and contacts the palpating hand. Patient with the cholecystitis often experiences distress with this maneuver and may have sudden cessation of the inspiration when the inflamed gallbladder reaches the examiner finger. This is termed as inspiratory arrest and has been described as shutting off of the inspiration. Moen's modification of eliciting Murphy's sign, that is, left hand of the examiner is placed on the patient's lowermost right anterior rib cage. Index finger is resting on the most of the inferior rib. Then extended and abducted left thumb is placed in the right subcostal region without pressing deep. The patient is requested to take a deep breath. When the inflamed gallbladder presses and touches against the thumb of the patient, it will experience pain and tenderness enough to halt the inspiration. Moen's sign is elicited in the lying down position, supine position. Presence of Murphy's sign is both sensitive and highly predictive. Negative Murphy's sign is less sensitive, that is 35%. Brie RL found that this sign is unreliable in separating the acute from the chronic cholecystitis. Often in the acute cholecystitis there is such as tenderness, guarding, rigidity in the right hypochondrium, so the test cannot be elicited. So it is a sign used for the cholecystitis without any specific identification as acute or chronic. Sonography Murphy's sign is eliciting the same sign using the sonographic transducer. It is more sensitive and more accurate. Gallstone ileus, that is, it is a type of the acute intestinal obstruction often seen in the elderly and is due to the blockage of the bolus or the mass of the gallstone, which commonly enters the intestine through the cholecystoduodenal fistula or rarely through the cholecystointestinal or the gastric fistula. गॉलस्टोन इलियस, दैट इज गॉलस्टोन इन द गॉल ब्लैडर. अगर स्टोन मोर देन 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का है तो कोलिसिस्टाइटिस कराएगा. सुप्रेशन एडेशन ओवर द ड्यूडेनल वॉल होगा. कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ द गॉल ब्लैडर इनटू द ड्यूडेनम, दैट इज स्पॉन्टेनियस बिलियो एंट्रिक फिस्टुला. Gallstone passes into the duodenum, forms a bolus, that is rolling stone gather mass, ठीक है, blocks the narrow part of the ileum, that is gallstone ileus, ठीक है, gallstone ileus हो जाएगा इसी वजह से, ठीक है. Pain abdomen, features of the intestinal obstruction. Stone may perforate the ileum to cause peritonitis in 1% of all the intestinal obstruction overall and 25% of the obstruction in the elderly. Recurrent episodic obstruction due to the moving stone bolus is typical tumbling obstruction. It is a tumbling obstruction. Investigation, that is plain x-ray कराएंगे abdomen का in the erect posture shows air in the biliary tree. Air in the biliary tree मिलता है plain erect posture पे, ठीक है. Air in the biliary tree, branching gas pattern या फिर pneumobilia मिलेगा, ठीक है. Multiple air fluid levels होंगे. USG abdomen कराएंगे. CT is diagnostic. Treatment में laparotomy, enterotomy and removal of the gallstone and closure of the enterotomy is done. Enterotomy is done not at the site of the obstruction but more proximal to the site of the obstruction. The stones are milled towards the enterotomy site. If the bowel is found ischemic at the impacted area, resection and anastomosis is done. Laparotomy and crushing of the stone with the fingers to relieve the obstruction is only occasionally useful. Cholecystectomy and the correction of the fistula with the T-tube drainage can be done in the same setting if the patient general condition is good, and otherwise it is done after 12 weeks. Cholecystectomy and definitive corrective surgery is not done. Recurrent gallstone ileus is likely to occur. Causes of for the gas in the biliary tree, that is cholecystoduodenal fistula, choledochoduodenostomy, choledocojejunectomy, transduodenal sphincteroplasty, and emphysematic cholecystitis. Bowrate syndrome, that is rare entity with the cholecystoduodenal fistula causing gallstone from the gallbladder to pass into the duodenum leading to the duodenal obstruction. Cholecystosis, that is cholecystosis क्या होता है? It is the chronic inflammatory condition of the gallbladder with the cholesterol deposit. It is due to the defective transport of the absorbed cholesterol which accumulates in the mucosa. There is increased absorption of the cholesterol by the gallbladder epithelium. Cholecystosis gallbladder is more prone for the infection and may precipitate the stone formation. Pre-malignant condition होती है, ठीक है. Types of cholecystosis, that is it can be cholecystosis. Then second is जो वन है दैट इज कोलेसिस्ट्रोसिस है, ये वाला फिगर देख सकते हो. देन सेकेंड में तुम्हारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल पॉलीपोसिस, कोलेसिस्टाइटिस ग्लैंडुलर पॉलीफरेंस, एंड देन डाइवर्टिकुलोसिस ऑफ द गॉल ब्लैडर, फिस्टुला, cholecystrosis of the gallbladder. It is a pre-malignant condition. Aggregation of the cholesterol crystal in the mucosa or the submucosa, cholecystrosis, that is strawberry gallbladder हो जाता है. इसमें lipoid content are present in the large foamy cells, has phagocytosed cholesterol. Here cystic duct is normal and disease occurs only in the gallbladder. It is a pre-malignant condition. Cholesterol laden polypoid projection in the mucosa, that is cholesterol polyposis, gallbladder polyp, granulomatous thickening and hyperplasia of the gallbladder, cholecystitis is granularis polyferens. Diverticular formation in the wall of the gallbladder, that is diverticulosis of the gallbladder, and the gallbladder wall fistula. Clinical features क्या होते हैं? Features of the acalculous cholecystitis like the dyspepsia, positive Murphy's sign. Investigation में USG abdomen कराएंगे, OCG कराएंगे, and isotope study. Treatment में cholecystectomy करेंगे, always done whether it is symptomatic or not as potentially malignant. Dissolution therapy for the gallstone, that is indication क्या है? Gallbladder, the functioning gallbladder with the cholesterol stone. Then single stone less than 1.5 centimeter, radiolucent stone, old age, patient who are not fit for the surgery. इनमें हम dissolution therapy देते हैं for the gallstone. is contraindication, that non functioning gallbladder है, stone more than 1.5 है, radio opaque stone है, multiple stones हैं, तो हम basically ये नहीं करेंगे, ये वाली therapy नहीं देंगे. इसमें drugs क्या क्या देते हैं? Chenodeoxycholic acid for the 2 years, ठीक है. Urodeoxycholic acid for the 15 mg per kg per day. It inhibits the absorption of the cholesterol from the gut and synthesis of the cholesterol in the liver, ठीक है. synthesis of the cholesterol in the liver हम करते हैं, ठीक है. बेसिकली इसमें जो है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द कोलेस्ट्रॉल घट जाता है गट से, और सिंथेसिस भी कम हो जाती है कोलेस्ट्रॉल की लिवर में, ठीक है। इनहिबिट एचएमजी को ए rate limiting step in the cholesterol synthesis. Urodeoxycholic acid also inhibit the absorption of the cholesterol in the GIT. Other methods are citrate, monoterpenes, and the percutaneous injection of the methyl tertiary butyl ether, that is MTBE, into the gallbladder using the catheter. Extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy, that is ESWL, which is not popular, ठीक है। And then problem with the dissolution therapy, the drug should not be given for the long time. Results are not good, expensive होती है, side effects are like the diarrhea and the pruritus, hepatic dysfunction. Overall result are not good by dissolution therapy, ठीक है। Now we come to choledocholithiasis. Choledocholithiasis, that is, it is the stone in the CBD. स्टोन अगर CBD में होगा तो उसे हम बोलते हैं choledocholithiasis. CBD और biliary ट्री में स्टोन्स होना कोलिडोकोलिथियासिस होता है, ठीक है। कोलिडोकोलिथियासिस प्राइमरी हो सकता है, रेयर ब्राउन पिगमेंट स्टोन की वजह से होगा। सेकेंडरी हो सकता है, कॉमन होता है, ब्लैक पिगमेंट स्टोन, कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन। इट इज सीन 15% गॉल ब्लैडर डिजीज एंड 75% कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन एंड 15% पिगमेंट स्टोन, ठीक है। प्राइमरी स्टोन होते हैं, दैट इज दे आर फॉर्म्ड इन द CBD में बनते हैं, एंड बिलियरी ट्री इटसेल्फ आर मल्टीपल ऑफन स्लज लाइक, एंड द पिगमेंट और मिक्स टाइप एक्सटेंड इनटू द हेपेटिक डक्ट, दैट इज ब्राउन पिगमेंट स्टोन। Defective pathophysiology of the biliary tree causing stasis and biliary dyskinesia, benign biliary stricture and sclerosing cholangitis and biliary dilatation, choledochal cyst. Congenital condition like the Calories disease and the choledochal cyst, infection and the infestation like the clonarcaris and the ascariasis. Other low protein diet, malnutrition, obesity and female and old age. Stasis and the bacteremia are the main cause of the primary CBD biliary disease. Secondary biliary stones, they are from the gallbladder, that is pass through the cystic duct to the CBD. Here the CBD and the biliary tree are otherwise normal. Secondary stones are better and easier to manage than the primary stones. Common gallstones get impacted in the supraduodenal portion of the CBD, ठीक है। GBA CBD stone है, multiple stones removed from this common bile duct, hepatic duct. They cause cholangitis. After the stone removal, patient need choledochoduodenostomy and the sphincteroplasty and choledogygnostomy, ठीक है। Black pigment stone are common in the hemolytic disease, cirrhosis, ileal resection, fasting for long time, TPN for the long time, home TPN. Intrahepatic stones are common in the biliary sepsis, biliary stasis, and parasitic infection and the malnutrition. Retained stone means if the stone are found in the CBD within 2 years of the cholecystectomy. Recurrent stone means if the stone are found in the CBD 2 years after the cholecystectomy, and 5% of the CBD stones can be asymptomatic. Clinical feature, that incidental CBD stones along with the jaundice, without jaundice, pain, it may be biliary colic, it may be non-specific abdominal pain, pain of the ascending cholangitis and the pain of the pancreatitis, ठीक है। jaundice most common clinical manifestation, fever with the chills and the rigor, ठीक है। Charcot's triad of the ascending cholangitis, that is intermittent pain, intermittent fever and intermittent jaundice. Stones move proximally and float, obstruction is relieved and the symptoms subside, intermittent feature होते हैं। Stone in the CBD due to the impaction, that is causes obstruction and the stasis, ठीक है। ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन में जॉन्डिस हो सकता है, पेन हो सकता है, इन्फेक्शन एंड बैक्टीरिया एंड फीवर स्ट्रेसेस की वजह से होता है। रेनॉल्ड्स पेंटाइड ऑफ द एक्यूट ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव कोलिंजाइटिस, दैट इज सुपरेटिव कोलिंजाइटिस, दैट इज 5%. समटाइम्स द ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन परसिस्ट causing persistent pain, persistent fever, persistent jaundice, shock, toxicity and altered mental status, ठीक है। Here the biliary tree contains pus, biliary tree में pus होता है, pain, tenderness in the epigastrium and the right hypochondrium, steroia and the darkening of the urine, and pruritus. Complications, that is liver dysfunction, biliary cirrhosis, white bile formation and the liver failure, suppurative cholangitis, liver abscess, septicemia, pancreatitis if the CBD stone is near the sphincter of Oddi, blocking the drainage of the bile and the pancreatic duct. Differential diagnosis में क्या है? Obstructive jaundice due to other causes, that is carcinoma of the head of the pancreas, carcinoma of the periampular region, carcinoma of the biliary tree, biliary structure and viral hepatitis. ठीक है, इनकी वजह से हो सकता है. इन्वेस्टिगेशन में हम यूएसजी एब्डोमेन कराते हैं. may show gallstone, diluted CBD more than 8 mm, which suggests biliary obstruction. Sensitivity for the CBD stone is only 65%. CT scan कराते हैं. It is the most sensitive investigation for the CBD stone. It shows the stone's location and ductal structure or block the ductal dilatation and intrahepatic biliary changes in the stone. Helical CT cholangiography is also useful, but the bilirubin level should be normal, which is the limitation. MRCP, that is magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography, is non-invasive investigation which delineates the biliary tree anatomy and pathology clearly, but is not it is not therapeutic. ठीक है. ब्लड में total count may be raised, LFT deranged with raised bilirubin, direct and alkaline phosphatase, PTINR and the platelet count should be done. Serum amylase lipase should be done to rule out any other rule out the associated pancreatitis. US, that is endosonography, is useful, accurate, but it is invasive. ठीक है. ERCP identifies the pathology in the site of the block, stone etc. 95% sensitivity रहती है. It is therapeutic also for the extraction of the biliary stone and the stenting. PTC, that is done only when indicated, like those with the previous gastrectomy and the failed ERCP. PTC is not routinely needed. PTC can be therapeutic also in the extracting the stone and the stenting. Treatment, that is injection vitamin K 10 mg IM once a day. ठीक है. इंजेक्शन विटामिन K 10 mg IM once a day for 5 days or fresh frozen plasma infusion to correct the prothrombin time. IV antibiotic, cefoperazone and the cefotaxime, correction of dehydration. IV mannitol daily 200 ml BD to prevent the hepatorenal syndrome. ठीक है. IV mannitol 200 ml BD to prevent hepatorenal. ERCP थेराप्यूटिक होती है. ठीक है. एंडोस्कोपिक papillotomy, that is sphincterectomy, and stone extracting through the Dormia basket or the balloon catheter and fragmenting the stone and extraction or the removal through the baby endoscope. CBD stent is placed in situ. ठीक है. This is a plain X-ray showing the stent in the CBD में एक stent है and pancreatic duct. It was placed in the particular patient who presented with the recurrent pancreatitis with the block structure both the terminal CBD and the pancreatic duct. Later the patient underwent choledochojejunectomy and pancreaticojejunectomy. ठीक है. This is the image of the ERCP showing CBD stone. This is the CBD stone shown over here. The endoscopic view of the stenting is also seen. Endoscopic view of the stenting है. ठीक है. Complication of the sphincterotomy, that is bleeding, sepsis, perforation, pancreatitis. Once the CBD stone are extracted through the ERCP, a laparoscopic cholecystectomy, open cholecystectomy after the removal of the gallbladder on the table cholangiogram is done through the cystic duct using the water soluble iodine and to see any stone in the CBD using stay suture. Choledochotomy is done open longitudinally to remove the stones in the CBD. False result, that is failure intraoperative cholangiogram, that is investigation of choice, is possible if the air is trapped, if there is contrast leakage, if quick flow of contrast into the duodenum, if there is spasm of the sphincter of the Oddi. Indication of choledochotomy के indications क्या हैं? After open cholecystectomy, ultrasound shows stone in the CBD, palpable stone in the CBD diameter 8 से 10 mm से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। रिसेंट हिस्ट्री ऑफ द जॉन्डिस विथ रेज्ड सेरम एल्कलाइन फॉस्फेटेज लेवल ऑन टेबल कोलिंजियोग्राम शोज स्टोन्स done using C-arm image machine. Failure of the stone extraction by ERCP period to the cholecystectomy when in doubt. After choledochotomy, stones are removed using the Desjardins choledocholithotomy forceps. Desjardins choledocholithotomy forceps होती है, उससे रिमूव करते हैं। Bake's CBD dilator is used to confirm the CBD patency. T-tube, that is Kehr's, is then placed in the CBD and kept for 14 days. After 14 days, a post-operative T-tube cholangiogram is done to see the free flow of the dye into the duodenum so the T-tube can be removed. T-tube cholangiogram shows persistent stone. It can be extracted after 6 weeks through the basket, that is Dormia, or the catheter, that is Fogarty, through the track or through a कोलिडोस्कोप, ठीक है। Retained stone can also be removed through ERCP after the open cholecystectomy on the table. ERCP can be tried if there is indication for the CBD intervention. Case of the secondary CBD stone and the ERCP was not done prior to cholecystectomy. The secondary stone is retrieved by this method. Open exploration of the CBD can be avoided. Intraoperative ultrasound IOS, intraoperative choledocoscope, is useful to confirm all the stones are removed. Laparoscopic CBD exploration is becoming popular with the availability of expertise and high technology, imaging and instruments. Methods to confirm the removal of the T-tube, that is clamp the T-tube after 10 to 14 days. Observe the 48 hours for the development of the pain, jaundice and fever. Confirm the free flow of the dye in the T-tube cholangiogram. Small stones may spontaneously pass down. Hyperonized saline and the bile acid flushing through the T-tube, that is wash 250 ml of the normal saline with 25,000 IB heparin for 5 days. Brunner's technique, that is Canada, ठीक है। Bruhini's technique, Canada. After 6 weeks, once the T-tube track gets matured, track if needed is dilated using graduated dilators, either using Dormia basket or Fogarty catheter or the choledocoscope, and stone is removed through the T-tube track under the fluoroscopic guidance. C-arm, ERCP and stone removal in 3 weeks. Reoperation if everything fails. Either transduodenal sphincteroplasty or the choledochogyginostomy, ESWL, that is extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy with the endoscopic sphincterectomy and extraction, lavage and stenting through the percutaneous transhepatic route. Cholangioscope is passed and the CBD is visualized. Stone is identified and removed using the Dormia basket or the Fogarty catheter. Laparoscopic choledocholithotomy, open choledocholithotomy, often with the choledocogyginostomy. T-tube cholangiogram showing retained stone in the CBD, ठीक है। This is a retained stone in the CBD, ठीक है। T-tube cholangiogram showing dye in the duodenum and the visualization of the normal biliary tree without any obstruction. Here we have no obstruction. Treatment of the primary CBD stone that is difficult is associated with the more complication. Preferred procedure are transduodenal sphincteroplasty. Transduodenal sphincteroplasty ओपन मेथड होता है, या फिर ओपन कोलिडोकोड्यूडेनोस्टमी साइड टू साइड, और ओपन कोलिडोकोजिजेनोस्टमी रॉक्स NY मेथड फॉलो करते हैं. These procedure attain the complete drainage of the bile. Post-operatively they may often require long-term antibiotics. Indication for the choledocogygenostomy, multiple CBD calculi with distal narrowing, that is funnel syndrome अगर है, papillary stenosis है, impacted calculi है, biliary sludge है जो कि सिम्टोमेटिक है, रेजिडुअल स्टोन्स हैं, स्फिंक्टर ऑर्डाई डिस्फंक्शन है, स्टेनोसिस है, प्राइमरी CBD स्टोन है, प्रीवियस कोलिडोकोटोमी हो चुकी है. देन मार्क सीबीडी डायलिटेशन है, तब हम बेसिकली इसमें कोलिडोको ड्यूडेनोस्टमी या फिर कोलिडोको जिजेनोस्टमी करते हैं। प्री रिक्विजिट क्या होते हैं? सीबीडी शुड बी मोर देन 1.4 सेंटीमीटर एंड स्टोमा शुड बी 2 सेंटीमीटर। एडवांटेज ऑफ द कोलिडोको duodenostomy are bile leak is minimum, not there, beneficial as permanent remedy in multiple stone and the sludge stenosis structure in triapatic stone. Problem with choledochoduodenostomy are that is basically some syndrome इसमें हो जाता है, ठीक है। रॉक्स एंड वाई कोलिडोकोजिनोस्टमी इज इक्वली गुड एज कोलिडोकोड्यूडेनोस्टमी। रिमेंबर गॉल स्टोन्स जो होते हैं बेसिकली आर कॉमनली रेडियोल्यूसेंट 90%। मल्टीपल स्टोन्स आर यूजुअली फेसेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ इक्वल प्रेशर इन द कॉम्पैक्ट गॉल ब्लैडर। प्लेन एक्सरे जो होता है वो उसमें रेडियो ओपेक लेजन्स to the right side of the vertebra below the rib cage. It should be differentiated from the kidney stone. In the lateral view में gallstone will in the lateral view जब हम कराएंगे तो gallstone will be in front of the vertebra whereas kidney stone overlaps the vertebra. Often gallstone has got central radiolucent area that is Siegel or Mercedes-Benz sign। जो gallstone होते हैं उसमें सेंट्रल रेडियोल्यूसेंट एरिया मिलता है, दैट इज सीगल एंड मर्सिडीज बेंज साइन भी मिलता है, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू द साइलेंट एंड एसिम्प्टोमेटिक गॉल ब्लैडर is one which is identified. Silent asymptomatic gallbladder is one which is identified on the routine investigation where there is no specific relevant symptoms related to the gallstone. Chances of developing symptoms in the silent gallstone is 5% and in 5 years and 20% in 15 years. Presently, ultrasound is an ideal investigation for the gallstone to see the gallbladder function, confirm the cholecystitis, radioisotopes, HIDA and PIPIDA scan is ideal. Cholecystitis can cause jaundice due to cholangitis, but other causes of the jaundice should be ruled out. CBD stone misery syndrome. Lime's gallbladder is gallbladder filled with the toothpaste. Lime's gallbladder filled with toothpaste like mixture of the calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate. Plain X-ray shows dense opaque and dense radio opaque gallbladder shadow, that is opacified gallbladder होता है। Porcelain gallbladder, one where the gallbladder wall is calcified because of the chronic cholecystitis. It is potentially malignant and it should be removed either by the open or the laparoscopic method. Cholesterol stone जो होता है वो occur करता है when there is alteration in the level of the cholesterol, lecithin and the bile salts. This altered bilirubin has got more This altered bilirubin has got more cholesterol than the adequate micelles. It is called as lithogenic bile. इसे हम lithogenic bile बोलते हैं. Hence the bile is in the supramicellary zone. Cholesterol stone is radiolucent because it causes acoustic shadows in the ultrasound. Mixed stones are most common 90%. Gallstone is a tombstone erected to the memory of the organism within it, that is Moyne's aphorism, ठीक है। सेंट स्ट्रैड गॉलस्टोन्स में ठीक है कोलोनिक डायवर्टिकुलाइटिस एंड हाइटसर्निया। Complication of the gallstone, that is acute cholecystitis, chronic cholecystitis, empyema gallbladder, mucosal of gallbladder, perforation, peritonitis, secondary CBD stone, cholangitis, pancreatitis, Mersey syndrome, gallstone ileus, Polycystic abscess and the carcinoma of the gallbladder. Black pigment stones are more common in the gallbladder. Brown pigment stones are common in the CBD. Cholesterol stones are common in the Western countries, and the pigment mixed stones are common in the Asian countries. Acute acalculous cholecystitis is 5% common. It occurs after the stress major surgeries or in the cholecystosis. Xanthogranulomatous cholecystitis is a rare pathological condition. Gallbladder is thickened with the chronic inflammation. It is yellow xanthogranulomatous in nature, often extend to the adjacent organs. It is due to the reaction to penetrated bile. Residual retained bile duct stones are one which is present in the CBD within 2 years of the initial surgery. Cholecystectomy, they are usually missed secondary bile duct stone. Recurrent biliary duct stones are one which present 2 years after the initial surgery, cholecystectomy and the CBD exploration. They are primary biliary stones. Salmonella cholecystitis, that is typhoid. Mary, a cook in the New York, transmitted typhoid through her infection in the feces and the urine, causes typhoid gallbladder. It can cause acute or chronic cholecystitis. Salmonella itself may predispose to the stone formation, and the patient may be silent typhoid carrier. Some syndrome क्या होता है? It is commonly observed in the choledochoduodenostomy. After choledochoduodenostomy, CVD distal to the choledochoduodenostomy acts as a reservoir with the stasis of the food particle, bile, and the stone and sludge. Often it causes cholangitis and narrowing of the stoma of the choledochoduodenostomy. Conversion to end rux in by choledochoduodenostomy is required. In this case, Courvoisier's law क्या होता है? Courvoisier's law of the sign. In the patient with the jaundice, if there is palpable gallbladder, it is not due to the stone. ठीक है. In the patient with the jaundice, अगर patient जिसमें jaundice है, there is palpable gallbladder. अगर gallbladder palpable है, it is not due to the stone. ठीक है. Fibrotic gallbladder होता है. ठीक है. इन केस में Courvoisier's law. In the patient with the jaundice, if there is palpable gallbladder, it is not due to the stone. In stone disease, gallbladder is contracted and fibrotic and non-distendable. जब स्टोन अगर gallbladder में है तो वो gallbladder fibrotic होता है और non-distendable होता है. ठीक है. In the obstruction due to the CBD stone, gallbladder does not distend because chronically inflamed, thickened, fibrotic, and contracted, non-distensible. In the malignancy like the carcinoma of the head of the pancreas and periampullary carcinoma, the gallbladder will be distended and palpable to the right of the rectus muscle. In the right hypochondrium as non-tender, globular, smooth, soft, dull mass which moves with the respiration with the horizontal mobility. Rule may not be useful in the absence of the gallbladder, intrahepatic gallbladder, and previous cholecystectomy. ठीक है. Exceptions to the rule are that is double impacted stone in one CBD and one cystic duct with the mucocele of the gallbladder, large stone in the Hartmann pouch, and empyema gallbladder with the CBD stone. ठीक है. This completes your basic topic. Now we will see from the next video from the surgical jaundice. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.